In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam was unable to sync your files with the Steam Cloud error. So if you get this error message, you won't be able to launch the game because it will come up with this message. And if you do then launch the game, then there's a good chance that you might lose your saved data that's already up on the Steam Cloud. So luckily there are a couple of things that we can do to fix this error message. But before we get started, I just want to say I will pop a link in the description below to a guide that we will do that may have more methods that you can do to fix this error if we do come across any more. So the first thing that we want to do is just ensure that it's not your security software on your computer that's causing the error. So if you do have a third-party security program installed, then you will want to either disable it or put it into a passive or game mode. Ideally, you will want to use the passive or game mode option because it means that your security is still running. However, the best way to test this is to actually disable your security. So if you do decide to disable your security, just keep in mind that you might not be protected from threats while it's disabled. So once you've disabled your security software, if that's what you're going to do, go ahead and try and launch the game again and then see if Steam does sync up. If it does work, then you know you need to add Steam to the exception list in your security program. If you're using the Windows firewall, then we can also check Steam has access by opening up the start menu and then typing in Windows Defender. You now need to select Windows Defender Firewall. You then need to click on allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall, and we then need to click anywhere in the list and press S, and you should then see Steam. As you can see, I've got Steam here and it's got a tick under private and public. If you do not see Steam in the list, then you need to click on change settings, and you then need to go allow another app. And you then need to browse for your steam.exe, and once you've added it, you can then tick the private and public checkboxes and then press OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and launch Steam again and see if that resolved the issue. If that didn't help, then the next thing that we want to do is open up Steam. Once you have Steam open, you now need to select Steam in the top left hand corner and then select Settings. You then need to click on Downloads and then select Steam Library Folders. You now need to select the hard drive that you've got the game that you're having issues with installed onto. Once you've selected the drive, you then need to click on the three dots and you will then see Repair Folder. You need to go ahead and click onto this button. This is now going to repair that Steam folder. You need to allow this to run, and once it's finished, then go ahead and launch the game again. If that didn't work, then press close and then press close again. You now need to find the game in your game list and then right click on it and go to Properties. Next, you need to go to Local Files, and you will then see the option for Verify Integrity of Game Files. You need to click onto this, allow this to run, and then again, once it's finished, go ahead and launch the game again and see if the files sync up. If that didn't help, then the next thing that you need to do is open up File Explorer, and you then need to go to the location where you installed Steam. Once you're in the location, you now need to find the user data folder, and you then need to right click on this folder and go rename. We then need to add BK to the end of the folder name and then press enter. Once you've done that, now go ahead and launch Steam again. When you do rename this folder, just make sure Steam is not running in the background. So just check in the system tray and make sure you don't see the Steam icon. So once you rename that folder, go ahead and launch Steam again and see if that helped. If that didn't help, then the next thing that we want to do is run Steam as an administrator. And to do this, all you need to do is right click on the Steam shortcut file, and you then need to go to Run as Administrator and click onto this option. And this will then run it with extra privileges. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope one of the methods in the video did help you fix the error message saying that Steam is unable to sync your files. So like I said, I will pop a link in the description below to a guide that we will do. So if none of the methods did help, then check out that guide. If you did like the video, then click the like button below. And if you want to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.